Let's briefly discuss why this module is important and relevant to supervisors and to those who wish to become supervisors. Throughout this series, you have learned a great deal about many different themes and topics of clinical supervision. Within each module, there have been opportunities to learn new evidence-based practices for supervision in speech-language pathology, covering topics ranging from the provision of feedback to supervisory accountability. Now that we have covered so many different aspects of the skills and knowledge it takes to be an effective, successful supervisor in this field, we are ready to tie all of the information together so that it can be readily applied in your clinical setting. This module is designed to challenge your ability to respond to novel and complex clinical situations. Ideally, your responses will incorporate your academic, experiential, and clinical expertise with concepts and skills you learned from various modules. Let's briefly discuss why this module is important and relevant to supervisors and to those who wish to become supervisors. Depending on the clinical environment in which you provide services or the types of students you wish to supervise, you might be wondering what there is to gain from learning about other settings. For example, if you work in an off-campus site, supervising second-year graduate students, you might question the benefit of reviewing best practices for the clinical fellowship. After all, second-year students and CFs have different levels of clinical experience, and the expectations and objectives of each placement are quite different. What will hopefully become apparent as we discuss each setting is that there are countless universal concepts and principles that can be adapted to fit your unique supervisory practice, alongside Anderson's continuum model of supervision. A quick note about Anderson's continuum. For this module, we will discuss the importance of applying it across each setting we cover, so it might be most helpful to review the details of the continuum before proceeding to the next slide, and to consult your notes about the continuum throughout this module. We will discuss the continuum broadly, highlighting certain concepts as we go, but more detailed explanations will be found in previous modules, especially Module 2.